Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Midwest Safety. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a desperate 911 call quickly turns into a full-scale emergency after a woman reports her brother is armed with a knife and threatening to kill her inside their Ohio home. While deputies search the outside trying to figure out what they're walking into, the real danger is already escalating behind closed doors, and they have no idea how fast the situation is about to spiral. The breakdown starts now.
All units are on Northwest Road, Unit 42. Female advised she opened the bedroom door. She saw the male. He does have a 40 in his hand coming towards the door. We've had her close it, lock it, get in the closet.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Stand back. I'm grabbing my rifle.
I got you.
Come on. Damn it.
42-914. She's advising it was a handgun.
Notice how officers are holding outside the house for the moment. They're trying to assess the danger before walking into a situation they can't fully see yet.
She said back door, right? This is the back or the front?
I think this is the front. 42751. Where's the bedroom located in the house? I think she's on that side of the house.
42, she's trying to say she can't open the window.
Do you hear an alarm in the house?
Pay attention to how the situation changes the second officers move toward the front door. Once they notice smoke, this stops being just a threat call and turns into a rapidly evolving emergency.
I'm just going to go to the door.
All right.
I think I saw someone through the window.
Hey, I smell smoke. The alarm is going off. 42, I do smell smoke coming from the house. The fire alarm is going off inside.
42, clear, starting the fire department.
Watch how fast this situation is about to change once officers make entry. The moment they come face to face with the suspect, control starts slipping almost instantly.
Yep, there's a fire. Someone's lighting a fire. Dude, I'm going to kick it. Ready?
Yeah.
10930.
Hands up!
Drop it! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop the knife! Back out! Back out! Back out! Back out! Back out!
Pay attention to the gap between the commands and the suspect's response here. What happens next is the moment this encounter shifts from containment to immediate danger.
Hands up!
Shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Help me! I get hit around my leg! Shots fired, 944.
Get the knife.
Help me! It's around my leg! Oh my god!
Watch how quickly officers shift priorities once they reach the woman inside. At this point, getting her out safely becomes the only thing that matters.
Oh my god! Help!
I gotta set the rifle down.
Oh god! Help me!
Get out of the room! Get out of the room!
We're gonna go. We're getting out of the house.
He's set my house on fire!
What did I just start the fire department? House is on fire.
What began as a domestic disturbance quickly turned into a full-scale emergency after the fire spread through the home, leaving much of the interior heavily damaged. Investigators later determined the fire had been intentionally started, with evidence collected inside the residence pointing to where the blaze began. Officers were able to pull Douglas Plott from the burning home and get him to waiting medics outside, but despite immediate medical efforts, he was pronounced dead at the scene. His sister survived after being rescued from the house and was treated for smoke inhalation along with minor injuries connected to the incident. Cases like this show how fast officers can be forced to deal with multiple critical threats at once: an armed confrontation, a trapped victim, and a rapidly spreading fire all unfolding within minutes. Once situations reach that level of chaos, every decision carries serious consequences. How do you think officers handled this rapidly escalating situation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.